Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Salesforce CPQ for Quote-to-Cash CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with Salesforce CPQ, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher and search for CPQ. Click on the Salesforce CPQ app to access its features. Once you're in the CPQ dashboard, locate the Quotes tab. Click on Quotes to view existing quotes or create a new one. To create a new quote, click the New Quote button. Enter the necessary information, such as account name and opportunity details. Save the quote to move forward with the quoting process. Now, proceed to add products to your quote. Click on the Add Products button within the quote interface. Select the products you want to include from the product catalog. Adjust quantities and apply any discounts as needed. Once you've finalized the products, click Next to proceed. Review the summary of your quote for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing. When everything looks correct, click on the Save button. Now it's time to generate the quote document. Click on the Generate Document option from the Quote Details page. Choose the desired template for your quote document. After selecting the template, click Generate to create the document. You will be presented with a preview of the generated quote. Review the document to ensure all details are accurate. If everything is satisfactory, proceed to send the quote. Utilize the email feature to send the quote directly to your customer. Select your preferred email template and customize your message if needed. Once composed, click Send to deliver the quote. Next, track your quote status within the Quotes tab. Monitor for any responses or updates from your customer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.